By answering surveys, you can easily earn up to $9 per survey through the Surveoo website. Additionally, this website is available worldwide in 244 countries, so you can register and start earning money from anywhere. You might wonder if Surveoo is legitimate, but there's no need to worry, as this website has trustworthy ratings on Trustpilot. Now, let's see how to create an account and start earning money on this website. Click the link provided in the description to directly access the website. On the right side, click the free registration icon and fill in all the required details to register and log in to your account. The first thing you need to do upon visiting the website is fill out the details it requests. These details are important because they help the website provide you with relevant surveys. Once you've filled out everything, save the information. Now, let's look at how to earn money on this website. Click the Paid Surveys tab on the left side, where you'll see multiple surveys. Click on any survey, complete it, and the specified amount will be added to your account. This is the main way to earn money on the website. There's also a smaller method, referring others. Click the Membership tab on the left side to get your referral link. Share this referral link with your friends, and if anyone signs up and earns through your link, you'll receive a 10% commission. Alright friends, now let's see how to withdraw money from this website. Click the Money Withdrawal tab on the left side. Here, you'll find various withdrawal options, including PayPal. The minimum withdrawal limit is mentioned as $28. Once you reach $28, select a payment option and withdraw your earnings. So, friends, these are the ways to earn money on the Surveoo website. Completing surveys like these isn't too difficult, so give it a try when you have time. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share your feedback in the comments section. To watch more videos about earning money, click on any of the videos appearing on your screen now. Thank you.